The Spectrum Xumo Streambox is a modern streaming device that replaces traditional cable boxes by integrating live TV, local channels, and popular streaming apps like Netflix and Hulu into one convenient platform. To begin setup, first connect the HDMI cable from your Xumo Streambox to any available HDMI port on your television. Then plug the power adapter into the Xumo box and connect it to an electrical outlet. Next, turn on your television and use your TV remote to select the correct HDMI input source where you connected the Xumo box. This is typically labeled as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or similar on your TV's input menu. Now prepare the voice remote by removing the plastic tab from the back of the remote. This will activate the batteries and allow the remote to function properly. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts that appear on your TV to pair the remote with your Xumo Streambox and complete the initial activation process. The system will guide you through each step automatically. This setup process represents Spectrum's transition from traditional cable boxes to modern streaming devices, providing customers with a more flexible and feature-rich entertainment experience. First, you'll need to connect your Xumo Streambox to your Wi-Fi network. During the activation process, you'll see a list of available networks on your screen. Select your network name from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Make sure your Wi-Fi is enabled in the settings if you encounter any connection issues. Once connected to Wi-Fi, you'll proceed to account setup. Spectrum subscribers have two convenient options for creating their Xumo account. For account setup, Spectrum subscribers can choose Continue with Spectrum to use their existing Spectrum credentials. This automatically links your Spectrum account to your new Xumo account. Alternatively, you can create a separate Xumo account using your email address. This gives you a dedicated account just for your Xumo streaming experience. After account setup, your remote should automatically pair with your TV for volume and power controls. However, some TVs may require manual pairing. Most TVs will automatically pair the Xumo remote for volume and power controls. The remote will work seamlessly with your television right out of the box. If automatic pairing doesn't work, you can manually pair the remote by going to Settings, then Connected Devices, then Remote. You'll need your TV's make and model for this process. Finally, here are some common troubleshooting solutions you might need during setup or regular use of your Xumo Streambox. If your screen remains blank for more than 10 minutes during a software update, simply unplug the Xumo Streambox and plug it back in to reset the device. For Wi-Fi connectivity problems, check that Wi-Fi is enabled in your settings. This is often the simplest solution to connection issues. If your remote stops working properly, try resetting it. This usually resolves most remote control issues quickly and effectively. With these steps completed, Wi-Fi connection, account setup, remote pairing, and troubleshooting knowledge, your Xumo Streambox is ready to provide you with seamless streaming and live TV entertainment.